The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has two video features that can make handheld footage look much smoother and more stable: Super Steady and Horizontal Lock. Both features are built for situations where the phone is moving. Super Steady reduces shake, while Horizontal Lock keeps the horizon level even if the phone tilts or rotates in your hand. So in this video, let's take a closer look at how Super Steady and Horizontal Lock improve camera experience on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Welcome back to SamMobile TV, you're here with Max. Let's start with Super Steady. Super Steady is a video stabilization feature built directly into the standard video mode on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. When it is turned on, the camera reduces the visible shake that normally happens when filming handheld, especially while walking or moving. That makes footage look smoother and more controlled without needing a tripod or gimbal. It's especially useful for everyday situations where the phone is not perfectly still. For example, walking through a city, filming while hiking, recording children or pets, capturing sports, or shooting a quick travel clip while moving. The important thing is that Super Steady works inside the normal video mode, so you do not have to switch to a completely separate shooting mode. You can simply turn it on from the viewfinder toolbar when you need extra stabilization and continue recording as usual. Horizontal Lock adds another layer to this. Super Steady reduces shake, but Horizontal Lock helps keep the footage level. So if the phone tilts to one side or rotates slightly while recording, the horizon stays straight in the frame. That is useful because handheld video does not only shake, it can also roll or tilt, especially when filming while walking, turning, or following action. Horizontal Lock uses the Galaxy S26 Ultra's motion sensors, including the gyroscope and accelerometer, to understand how the phone is moving in real time. The phone then corrects that rotation while recording, so the final footage stays more level even when your grip changes. This is especially useful for action footage, walking shots, hiking clips, cycling, travel videos, or any situation where the phone is moving in more than one direction. One thing to know is that Super Steady uses a slightly narrower field of view. This gives the phone the extra room it needs to stabilize the footage. So when the feature is active, the frame can look a little tighter than the regular video mode. That is useful when movement is the priority, but there are situations where the regular video mode makes more sense. For example, if the phone is on a tripod, resting on a stable surface, or filming a slow controlled pan. Standard video mode also gives you the full field of view, which is better when you want the widest possible frame. So Super Steady is not something that needs to be on for every single video. It is a tool for moments where movement is part of the shot. The difference compared to regular stabilization is also important. Most smartphones already have some kind of stabilization for small handheld movements, but Super Steady is designed for more active situations where normal stabilization is not enough. Horizontal Lock then adds the extra benefit of keeping the footage level, which is a different challenge than simply reducing shake. Together, these features make the Galaxy S26 Ultra better suited for filming while moving, and that makes them two of the most practical video tools to try if you record a lot with your phone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.